Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Ledlenser HF6R signature headlamp, string lamp. I think that's in a different language. It says in here advanced focus system, digital advanced focus system, 7 years warranty, rechargeable, dust and waterproof, IP68. Really good to see. You also have spot and flood. And then different colors as well, so it's not only red, it's green and blue. You have the magnetic charging cable, which is USB-C on one side. It swivels around, so that the head it's tilting. The headband is in camouflage look. That's really nice. You have additional red, green and blue light, and it also has a transportation lock. High comfort and low weight, virtually seamless transition from flood to spot, and it also has a cooling technology, improves energy efficiency and LED service life. Battery status indicator below, 4 green lines, and they also mentioned the convenient charging. You should get accessories with it. You get the charging cable, you get this, and in here you get also, so you get 3 different, no, this is one actually, so that's front, that's back, and that's for a helmet, I think, if I'm not wrong. You also have some information in here if you scan the barcode, and it also shows you in boost mode it reaches 1000 lumens, and then in normal mode 500, medium 250, and 20 in the low mode. And that's how far we'll go: 170 meters, 140, 80 and 25. And the run time, and the color rendering, this one it's 135 grams without the silicone pad. The battery, it's 2000 milliampere, and the charging time to up to 80%, it's 160 minutes. It's designed and engineered in Germany. So let's open it and have a look inside. Just keep that like that, and yeah, let's take it out. Nothing else in there. So at first glance it's really beautiful. You have the Ledlenser HR6R signature printed in there. It's made of this is actually cold, so it's metal or some sort of aluminium. Yeah, and then it says in here advanced focus system, and you see it's a wheel in there that you can spin around. We'll have a read in the manual about that. This is the 4 LED for to show you how much battery you have left, and then you have the charging, the magnetic charging port. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to open this. Let's remove the accessories and the manuals. Perfect. Okay, so this one comes with an elastic strap, adjustable, and at the back you have this comfortable rubber like material, actually it's rubber, that goes like that on the back of your head, which I think is really good. You can also remove this if you want, and let's see what system is in here. So you can clearly see that this is metal like you can see my fingerprint in there. So let's have a quick look at what they give us. That's a rubber, and again you're getting this this extra bit, which I don't really know. Actually, it looks like it goes in there. We'll definitely have to have a look through the manual. So let's have a look. Okay guys, so I had a quick look. Still don't really understand. I think this is probably an accessory that you can use with different, like you see this handlebar accessory that you can buy. So you can probably attach this to one of these, or if using a helmet, you could probably attach it like that to the helmet. So what I want to really see is like this digital focus system. I'm not quite sure what it does. So when you are in what mode, let's see. It shows to rotate it in each way, and you should focus the bin light. That's why it's my understanding, but I'm not sure in what mode. And also I want to see, they say you can lock it. So two blinks. So let's have a quick look. Okay guys, so I've been playing a bit with the settings. I don't really understand this one with the transportation lock. I've tried to press and hold for 5 seconds, then I don't really understand what it means. Either you press and hold for 2 more seconds where it goes into the red mode, and then I don't understand what's with this another you press and hold 5 seconds and it goes and blinks twice and then it's locked. I don't get that. It doesn't really work. And in here it shows how to unlock it. I mean, it doesn't work for me. I'm pretty sure it works, but it doesn't for me. So look, so we'll do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already in red. Now if I try and press 1, 2, it shuts down. Then if I press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't blink. So I don't really understand. But anyway, I'm not worried about that for now. I just want to show you a bit how it works. So let's just put this away. Yeah, for whoever buys this, you really need to look into these instructions and make sure you understand them, because it's not straightforward if you want to use all the modes. If you just want to use it as normal, it is straightforward. So as you can see, it goes up and down, and if you feel that it's not comfortable enough, they give you this. So you just take that, you push it in like that. I think I've used that light a bit too close to my eyes. I can't see very well now what I'm doing in here. So I hope you can see. So you push this in and it stays like so. So that will give you extra comfort on your forehead. It is a bit heavy. Obviously it has 100 and what it says, 160 grams or something. Where did I see that? I think it was in here actually. 135 grams. So okay, so if you press once, it just starts like this, and then if you move this wheel underneath, every time you press it, it will show you the how much battery you have. So I wish that battery status was on the top somewhere, because it's quite hard to see when you turn it off. Otherwise you will put the light in your face. all the time. It's a bit, I feel like the position of it should have been on top. So if I rotate, you can see it does changes to a spot, and when it flickers like that, that means it's reached its maximum potential of a spot. And then you move it back and it's wider. And now you can increase the light. Obviously, if you press after some time, it will it will turn off because it's normal. It just thinks you want to turn it off. And then, like it happened now. So let's turn it on again. You press, it just flickers in this mode. Then you press again, shuts down. So this, then it flickers and off. So this. And if you double press it, it goes into blast full mode, and it's 1000 lumens. In this mode, I've noticed that you can't really adjust anything. It is what it is, and then it fully goes down to what it was. As you can see, when I move through this, it just moves to that and that. So now you can also use it in this mode. But this this middle light is what it does. It creates that dot, as you can see. That focuses. And then if you press and hold, it will switch to the RGB mode, and you have red, green and blue. It's quite a good amount of light that it's producing. And then off again. When you turn it back on, it obviously stays in that mode. So you have to press and hold to go back into the other mode, into the light mode. The light is it's like a cold light. And I think it's a nice feature to have this way of focusing on things if you want to see more in the distance. Let me just see if I can show you a bit. So you see now it's a dot, then it lights up around you, back to focus. So yeah guys, if you press and hold, it goes back into this mode, and in here you can't really use the focus because obviously that's a separate light you have. So there you have it. I think it's a really nice, really well built and rugged headlamp. There's nothing I could say about that, and it's quite comfortable to wear as well. Of course, when you use this rubber, it's even more comfortable. That's the charging port, USB-C, and this is a magnetic charger. So it goes like this underneath, and it just attaches there. And if you accidentally take it, nothing will happen because it's just magnetic. This is an extra bit, so you just mount this by pushing it down, and then it slides onto there, and you can use this as an accessory with other accessories they sell. So it just slides probably in like that, and you have a light on your helmet or on your bicycle. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I might put some footage at the end of the video as well with the way it looks like in the dark, so stay tuned.